Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and delete games on your Nintendo Switch. So there's two different ways that we can do this. So let's find a game to delete. Let's go to where it says, let's go to this one right here. Let's go to YouTube. Actually, Fall Guys. Let's go to this and press the plus icon. Go down to Manage Software and then go to right and go to Delete Software. Now, the saved data will not be deleted. So if you have any like single player progress or something like that, that's not going to be deleted, just the game. So we can go to delete, and once we re-download it, we can start playing where we left off. So that's how we can delete it. Now to re-download it, we can go to all software, scroll on down to re-download software right here, and just find it under this list, and we can get back on our Nintendo Switch. So it makes deleting things really easy. So if we're running out of storage space, just find the game and re-download it. So what did I delete before? I think Fall Guys. So let's go ahead and re-download this. And then we can also go to system settings right here. Scroll on down to where it says data management. And then go to manage software. And we can find the game under here to delete. And it's going to give us more information about how big the game is. So you can see Paladins is a rather small game. And then we can select it under here and we can delete the software. Boom. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.